Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to fill a shape. So as example I will create shape, we create rectangle and another I will create a circle and the third we create a polygon. Now if you want to fill this shape you can use material tools, click on material and then you can change into color option. Now you can select the color like I will set into red color. You can click on object to fill a shape like this. I will change again the color into yellow. And you also can set by texture, like in there I will use wood. And then I will use this texture and you can click on the shape object. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to fill a shape. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.